There's no denying that the self-care industry currently is as big as it's ever been. And with a $49 billion market value, the cosmetic industry is currently dominating the dropshipping scene. With such a massive amount of products on the market today, choosing the right ones can be a bit tricky. So that's why in this video, we're going to cover 20 of the hottest beauty products to add to your dropshipping store. Before we get started, my name is Mario with AutoDS, and if you like videos on the dropshipping business and how to be able to start and grow your own dropshipping store, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any future videos. Now, let's run that intro really quick and let's get started. Before we get started with the countdown, make sure you stick around all the way to the end because I'm going to give you a little bit of a bonus and I'm going to show you where to be able to source a lot of these products from. All right, so we have a lot of items to cover, so let's not waste any time and let's jump straight into it. The first item on our list is going to be the hydrogel eye patches. These patches are going to be a great and quick solution for dark circles around the eyes, wrinkles, and puffiness. There's also a lot of different variations as to what they're made out of. Some are made out of aloe vera, some with rose water, caffeine, and a lot more. Also, a lot of times when you buy these in sets, you can get a carrying case or containers to be able to preserve the freshness. Up next in our second spot, we have the electric heated eyelash curler. This is an electric version of your typical eyelash curler, and it helps produce long-lasting and volumized curls. When offering these, always make sure you offer variations with variable heat capacities. Usually these are battery powered, but they also have some options that are USB rechargeable. In our third spot, we have stainless steel eyebrow tweezers. This is one product that never goes out of style and is always in demand, specifically because, I don't know about you, but my wife always loses hers. When dropshipping these products, make sure that you use non-irritating, sanitary, and durable medical grade stainless steel. There's also a lot of different variations when it comes to this product. Some are bigger, some are smaller, some are a bit thicker, some you can hold a bit different. They come with different colors and different tips. Always make sure you offer a wide variety of these because a lot of the times they're used for multiple purposes. Coming up next in our fourth spot, we have the lash lift kits. These kits help with nourishing, fixing, and cleansing the eyelashes of its users. With that being said, always make sure that the kits that you offer include lift pads, tools, spools, solutions, oils, and lash glues. In our fifth spot, we have makeup brush sets. A beauty routine is never fully complete without a full set of makeup brushes. These brushes are used for a wide variety of applications such as foundation, contours, and a lot more. That's why we need to offer a wide variety of options to be able to compensate for all the different applications that there are. Also remember that people always do their makeup on the go, so with that being said, you can always upsell by offering something like a travel case. Shaking things up in our number 6 spot, we have the electric eyelash glue shaker. For women on the go, this makes mixing eyelash glue a lot less messier. And it's not just limited to eyelash glue. You can use it to mix a variety of different liquids such as nail polish and a lot of different things. That's why it's extremely important that you always offer different variations for this product in different styles and different capacities. Up next on our 7th spot, we have the large foundation brush. These are a must-have for any beauty set. They also come in a wide variety of natural and synthetic materials. Always make sure that you offer different styles and colors to be able to complement the user's makeup kits. In our 8th spot today, we have the pedicure foot file. These are perfect for at-home pampering and come in a wide variety of options, some of which can include different types of handles and abrasiveness options. To maximize your sales with this product, always make sure you offer eco-friendly and long-lasting products. Also, you're able to upsell by offering things that go together, such as nail clippers and nail filers. In our number 9 spot, we have a non-invasive and non-surgical skin treatment option. A laser plasma pen is ideal for facelifts, fine lines, and a lot more. This is a high demand item in the beauty industry and comes with a few different variations in its needles that can help with a few different beauty issues. In our number 10 spot, we have the facial light massager. This product helps combat the signs of skin aging, which makes it a very popular item. This massager uses high frequency vibrations to be able to help stimulate and tighten skin. It also has a wide variety of different lights to help rejuvenate a user's face. This is a very popular and in-demand product that comes in a wide variety of styles, so you're always going to have different options to offer. Now, sounding like it came straight out of a sci-fi movie, in our number 11 spot, we have the LED photon skin tightening device. This product comes with different wave frequencies and light energies to help stimulate skin muscles, which in turn gives the benefit of maintaining a customer's firm and glowing skin. When offering this product, you always want to make sure you offer heavy duty and portable options. In our number 12 spot, we have the ultrasonic cavitation machine. This machine claims to be able to break down fat deposits beneath the skin, which makes it a highly in-demand and popular item. This machine comes in a few different variations that really depends on what areas the customer wants to be treating. There's also different options for the radioactive frequencies that the customer might prefer. In our number 13 spot, we have hydrating face masks. These usually come as a set of multiples, and customers love them because of their soothing and nourishing effects. There's also a lot of different application variations. You have the clay mask, you have masks that peel off, some that wash off, and a few other options. Also, when selling these, always make sure you go with hypoallergenic and lightweight options for your customers' comfort. Next up in our number 14 spot, we have blackhead removers. Not only does it help remove blackheads, but it also helps remove excess oil, built up dirt, and dead skin. This tool can also come with a wide variety of tips to help ensure well exfoliated skin after use. Not only that, but it also comes in a variety of suction levels to help accommodate your customers. At number 15, we have makeup sponge blenders. These typically come in a variety of different hypoallergenic materials such as foam or silicone. They can also come in a variety of quirky shapes, colors, and sizes. Now, a quick tip to help make a couple of extra bucks on upsell. A lot of the times people like to purchase these in sets, so make sure to offer different bundles at discounted rates. In our 16th spot, we have the eyebrow tattoo pencil. Now, just like eyebrows, these pencils come in a wide variety of shades. They can be black, gray, brown, blonde, and everything in between. They also come in a wide variety of tips for different brow types and shapes. In our 17th spot, we have fake eyelashes. When it comes to the fake eyelashes, there's a massive amount of different variations out there. There's different ways to apply them. There's different sizes, different colors, different thicknesses. The possibilities are endless. And the best part is whenever somebody purchases these, you're always able to upsell them by offering something like eyelash glue. In our number 18 spot, we have nose hair trimmers. Back in the day, whenever you wanted to get rid of any of your nose hairs, you would have to either clip them, which would run you the risk of clipping your nose, or you would need to pluck them, which would really hurt. Now with the nose hair trimmers, your customers can get rid of any unwanted hairs quickly, painlessly, effortlessly, and safely. These are usually rust-proof as well as waterproof, so they can be easily washed. Nose hair trimmers are usually powered by either lithium batteries or USB rechargeable. In our 19th spot, we have the multifunction hair straightener brush. This is an all-in-one hair solution that can help dry, volumize, and straighten your hair. And just like all the other products on this list, this item comes in a wide variety of styles, sizes, and colors. Last, in our number 20th spot, we have the UV nail lamp. This is a portable lamp that's used to cure different types of nail polishes, such as gel and acrylics. You also have different variations that you can offer that have preset timers as well as auto power options. Now, while there's a ton of different items that you're able to dropship in the beauty industry, there's also a few different types of items that you really do want to stay away from. Most notably, you want to avoid selling things like liquids, creams, lubricants, supplements, and especially branded products. Aside from the branded beauty products, the items that I just mentioned can potentially cause harmful effects such as allergic reactions or rashes. And when it comes to the branded beauty products, most of the times those brands are intellectual properties, and selling those can potentially land you in some legal trouble that is just best to avoid. Now that we know some of the best beauty products to add to our dropshipping stores, let's find out where to source them. Remember, if you want any more information on the items that I just listed or the suppliers that I'm about to talk about, make sure to check out the description down below. I'm going to have a link to this article down there. So our first best beauty dropshipping supplier is Target, and let's be real, who doesn't love Target? Target has some top quality products and a very unique membership program where you can earn rewards. With over 45 warehouses, they also have super fast shipping, and they also offer free 2-day shipping for orders over $35. Their membership program is called a Red Card, and with the Red Card, you're able to save 5% upon checkout. And they also have a rewards program, which allows you to gain rewards and save a little bit of extra money with the purchase of specific items. Up next at number 2, we have CJ Dropshipping. CJ Dropshipping offers print-on-demand services, which helps you customize a variety of beauty products. They also offer white label branding, which helps you package your customers' orders with your own brand or logo. And best of all, they have the product sourcing feature, which helps you get products that are not yet available on the platform. In our third spot, we have AliExpress. AliExpress, as we all know, has a massive variety of different products. On top of that, they also have a global market reach, so that way you can reach customers worldwide. AliExpress also has their Dropship Center, which helps us find new trending items and helps us see potential profits. Next up at number 4, we have Walmart. Walmart, just like AliExpress, has a massive selection of beauty products. They also offer flexible shipping options, and best of all, they have a price match policy. Price matching is fantastic because if you're able to find the same product somewhere else for cheaper, you're able to contact Walmart and have them match that same price. In our number 5 spot, we have Banggood. While primarily located in China, Banggood also has a lot of local warehouses, so that way they can offer quick shipping. On top of that, they also have a diverse variety of beauty products and exclusive deals. And their deals are great because a lot of times they have different promotions, different discounts, and best of all, they also offer cashback. Last up in our 6th spot for beauty suppliers is eBay. eBay has a wide variety of different beauty products to be able to offer. They also have outstanding customer support and a buyer and seller protection program. Now, the protection program is actually a really good feature because it helps protect both the buyer as well as the seller from potential fraud. So now that we have all the different products that we want to import into our store, let's find out how to quickly import them in just a few clicks. So over at AutoDS, we offer an easy to use platform to be able to start automating and scaling your dropshipping business. One of the handy features on it is our product importing tool. It makes it super quick and simple to be able to start importing products and have them live on your website like that. Now make sure you check out the description down below if you want some more information on any of these methods. We're going to have the link to all this down there. So as I mentioned earlier, over at AutoDS, we have a few simple ways to be able to start importing your products in just a few clicks. Automation is super simple and super quick. And best of all, super efficient. So for this, what we're going to focus on is the bulk importer. What we're going to do first is we're going to find our products that we want. Let's say we want to import all of these different beauty products into our dropshipping store. It's a lot of products and it's a lot of work to do one by one. Over at AutoDS, we make it a lot easier to be able to do these things. So the first thing we're going to do is install a Chrome extension to our browser. After it's installed, on the bottom right of your screen, you're going to see the little AutoDS icon. Click on that and then you're going to get the option to extract. Once you click extract, you're going to see all the different product IDs. In this case, we have 65, which means there's 65 different products. Once we have all that done, let's click on export as CSV, and then it's going to download the CSV file. Afterwards, let's go to the AutoDS dashboard and we're going to click on add products. Once we're there, let's click on multiple products and stores, and we're going to upload CSV. Once we have that ready, we're going to take our CSV file, drag and drop it, and it's going to start uploading everything. Now, once that's done uploading, we're going to click on over to our drafts tab. You're going to see the status of the import up top, and on this screen, you're going to start seeing all the different products that were imported. Now from here, you have the option, which is highly suggested, to go ahead and click to edit. So you can start optimizing your titles, descriptions, images, pretty much anything you need to make it SEO friendly and visually friendly to your customers looking at it from their screen. So here you have the option to change the title, your collections, you can add a tag to it, you can choose your shipping method, which you have the cheapest with tracking and fastest with tracking. I always go with cheapest with tracking, the default city that it ships from, the country that it ships from. These two don't ever change, just leave those as default, and the brand of the item. Also, you can go on over and click on some of the other tabs like the description, and you can edit the product description. You can go to the variants and start editing the different types of variants on there. Let's take a quick look at one. Here you can change all of the pricing details and then the general details such as the color, the weight, the ID, which for the most part, these are going to leave the same except for the color if you want to change the way that it's written. Again, it's best to optimize all these so that way it's written in the proper language so it's easier for your customers to understand. Aside from that, you also have the images tab where you can start to look at the different images, remove the ones that aren't relevant or the ones that you don't like, and the item specifications. Now, not only do we facilitate and optimize the importing process, we also do a lot more. You also have different features like price and stock monitoring, automatic order fulfillment, automatic tracking updates, automatic price optimization, inventory management, and a lot more. Remember, if you want any more information on any of the services that we offer over at AutoDS, check out the description down below. We're going to have a link to everything down there. Now, with being able to automate pretty much the entire business process, you're going to have a lot of extra time and money to be able to start scaling your business even further. If you enjoyed today's video and want to keep learning more about the dropshipping business and how to be able to start or scale yours, make sure to hit that subscribe button so that way you don't miss out on any future videos. And if you found the information in this video helpful, also make sure to leave a like. Once again, my name is Mario with AutoDS. I wish you all the best of luck in your dropshipping business, and I'll catch you all in the next video.